Okay, this is David from EVnSteven, and in this tutorial, I'm going to explore the pending page on the billing tab. So if we go down to the bottom of the app, we can see we can navigate to 5 main pages. There are the vehicles, the stations, the charging, the billing, and the support where you can send feedback. So let's focus on the billing page, and you'll see on the billing page we have pending, payable, receivable, and paid. So in this tutorial, we're going to focus on pending. So this page displays the charging sessions that are pending billing for the current month. If you have one station, you'll see one group of sessions. In this case, this account has only been using one station. So it's listed as station owner 1, the contact name, which is myself because I'm listed as the owner of this station. The address, there is no company for this particular station. There's my email address, the station owner's email address. So this lists all of the sessions that I have done within the current month for that station. Each session has a unique ID, has a date, and a net cost. So if we want to inspect any of these, we'll just click the little icon on the left side and we can view the details for that session. If you had an issue with this session, you could dispute the session by clicking there and it'll fire up an email. Copy all of this information into an email to the station owner, and then you can discuss the details of that with them. Alternatively, if the station owner has enabled or allowed station users to adjust the time for the session, you can click the adjust time button at the bottom, and then you can adjust both the check-in time and the checkout time. So let's just extend that, and I'll say that that was for a forgotten check-in and a forgotten checkout, and then we can adjust about time at the bottom. Or if there was another reason, maybe whatever the reason, maybe there was no internet at that time, fill in that reason and it would be stored with the session. Okay, so if you're happy with that adjustment, you'll see the adjusted duration and click save. And now we have an adjusted session summary that includes the original start time, the original end time, the original duration, the adjusted start, the adjusted end, and the adjusted duration. So now it's 2 hours and 30 minutes, and the total due is $1.34. You can adjust that as many times as you like, and when you're done, just click reviewed. Now you can see it's adjusted to net cost of $1.28. That concludes this tutorial, and you'll also want to view the tutorials on payables, receivables, and paid. So thanks very much for using EVnSteven. We really appreciate you. Please send some feedback if you have it, and have a great day.